What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be working on this RX7 from Cascade. We got Hunter back here. Let's take a look at it. Alright guys, so Hunter from Cascade dropping off this beautiful RX7. This thing looks like a full-on drift car. Tell me the story about this thing. How did you guys get it, or what you got?
Yeah, so we actually hit up a guy who's actually in Formula Drift. His name is Kazu. He had this car, or either him or his client had it. He offered it to us, you know, just basically just trying to sell it, and we just picked it up. And I thought we could kind of revamp it a little bit and then give it kind of unrace car, if that makes sense.
You can't. Yeah. How are you gonna unrace car this thing? This thing's a.
I mean, hey, first, hey, first things first. Starts with you guys, right? I mean, just fixing the stuff like
yes, yeah. So she's been through some races, as you can see. You know, some battle wounds, as you would call them. This kid's pretty much fiberglass, the whole thing, right?
Yeah, it's all
the whole thing. Yeah, so you know, obviously the front end, the carbon fiber has seen some better days, you know. But I mean, that kind of goes along with the car. I mean, the car is a full drift car. I mean, you know, it's gonna have some bangs and bruises, which is normal, right? But like you said, bringing it here, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna make it look good. But are you gonna drift it?
Hey man, depends how nice it looks. Let's just say if it looks too nice, then no. But we'll see. We'll see.
Well, it's gonna look nice, so you're gonna be like, oh, should I, you know, or should I?
Some donuts out there.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. We'll get some donuts out there. So, but yeah, I mean, I'm really interested in kind of tearing this thing down and kind of going through it. Man, this thing's like full on race car, man. Look at this thing. Look at that. And there we got purple. Your favorite color?
Hey man, let's just say this is how it came and I had no choice.
You had no choice, yeah. All right. And we're keeping it this color, right?
We're gonna keep it for now.
Okay. I mean, this, you won't get lost seeing this car. This car and this color, I mean, it's bright. I mean, you tell me when you were coming down the street, or when you were towing it down here, how many people were like, kind of like, oh, thumbs up, like, you know, all that.
Yeah, it's funny. It's like, hey, are they looking at me because they like the car, or they just can't, you know, miss the color of the car?
It's too bright.
Yeah.
You know, so I mean, for it being fiberglass and it being a drift car, like, you know, it held up. I mean, I think it held up pretty good. I mean, I think basically once we kind of tear it apart and kind of see what we got, we'll go ahead and fix all the fiberglass. But you're in good hands, man.
All right, man,
you know, and then maybe are you gonna let me borrow so I go do some drifting before we fix it?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, see,
that's what it's for, man.
See, he said it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and test this thing out. But
remember, if you break it, you buy it.
Okay.
Right?
See, yeah. Damn, I was hoping he didn't say that. But hey, we gotta test it out. But get this inside the shop and we'll set it up. But I think it's gonna be really good, you know. And what? Maybe SEMA?
Maybe if we end up going. Maybe put them next to the buses, right in between.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. They'll be like, damn, the race cars, and you got the buses to haul the stuff that you need for the race car.
Put it in the back of the pickup.
Oh yeah, there you go. Belt in the back. See, that's what car I saw. Let's see if they could put the RX7 back there and take it up there. So, all right, Hunter, you're in good hands. So I'll take care of it. I'll keep you posted, and we'll get it looking good.
Sounds good, man. I'm excited. See you guys later.
So now we have the FD getting a little bit more work done, fender getting repaired. Let's take a look at that, and also the side skirt. Shorty over here doing some major repairs over here. And this side, that's you know, a little bit of cracking going on. It's gonna need a little bit of love. This side is not as bad as the other side, although it is have some major repairs here. And the fender is missing a good chunk. So this is the area where you can see the green tape. That's that whole area that we're missing. And this is another repair that was done as well. Alright guys, we are here with the owner of the RX-7. We're going to take a quick look at it, get his 2 cents, let's see what he thinks, and take a good look at the RX-7. Hey brother.
It's good, man.
What's going on, man?
We're shaking.
Let us know what you think on your RX-7. How'd it come out?
I forgot how annoying this thing looked. Honestly, I mean, it's so crazy. Honestly, it looks brand new. It looks brand new. I mean, me personally, I like it without any decals. It looks so much cleaner. You know, as discussed earlier, we were going for more of a, you know, the street vibe rather than race car. Very well done.
This fender was the one that was completely missing a whole chunk. Side skirt was completely cracked. Same thing with the over fender. We went ahead and clear coated the wing blade, and same thing on this side. This side was just completely cracked all the way through, side skirts, and a lot of fiberglass work. Thing came out super clean. I really like it is very loud car, but I feel like with this kit and stuff like that, and the stands and stuff like that, it really goes well with the type of car that it is. Super dope. I really feel happy that we are able to complete what we needed to, and it's just a really dope ass car. Kind of wanted to pop off the list for the type of kit. It's probably our first one. We're probably not going to see a bunch of these come through, but we're just really happy that we got to work on this thing.